magnification shows a clear break in the shell here.
Confirmed. The mold indicator is starting to rise on that sector.
We have a positive detection at gate 4.
Acknowledged. The robotic arm is engaged.
Internal scans analyze the quality of each durian, ensuring only the finest fruits are diverted to the premium lane.
See this spike here? That indicates the ripeness for this crate.
So we process these next.
Pay close attention to the blade handling demonstration.
What if the material shifts during the automated sequence? The automated system handles the bulk, but our inspection is crucial for quality control.
Utilizing gentle, rhythmic pressure, the machine separates the seeds from the vibrant pulp, which exits entirely undamaged and uniform.
Selected pulp portions are carefully transferred into the enclosed mixing vessels.
Through slow, deliberate rotations, the durian pulp is transformed. The temperature sensors ensure that
the filtration system is running smoothly.
Yeah, I barely noticed the durian today. It's a lot better.
The pH is stable at 4.2.
And the spectrometry confirms the profile, 99.8% validated.
Through meticulous vacuum-assisted blending, the pulp achieves an ultra-smooth consistency, perfected by precise control.
The central manifold efficiently redirects the base product. Blue indicates the path for frozen desserts.
Final metrics confirmed. Temperature and texture are optimal.
Green light for processing. Engage the system.
process is flawless. Automated nozzles dispense the mixture with pinpoint accuracy, while
Here, the freezing curves are precisely monitored in real time, optimizing the chilling process.
This stabilization stage is crucial, ensuring the premium mouthfeel and structure of the frozen durian.
This dedicated line blends the finest durian pulp into a rich, glossy paste, showcasing our commitment to product diversification.
The density reading here is excellent.
Agreed. The system confirms a pass on all metrics.
Vision systems instantly verify legibility. Rejected prints are automatically flagged. Traceability is built into every item.
Sensors conferred exposure duration. The process adds an extra safety layer. Everything remains untouched by human hands.
Look at the throughput on line 2. It's exceeding targets. The branding looks perfect.
Oxygen is replaced with controlled gas mixtures to preserve texture and flavor. Sensors monitor gas ratios in real time.
The security strips bond seamlessly. Heat and pressure ensure irreversible sealing, reinforcing consumer trust and safety.
In this ultra-modern facility, robotic palletizers operate with mesmerizing precision, stacking cases.
Check the inbound shipment for Tuesday. Temperature regulation is critical on this one.
Confirmed. I'm rerouting the cold storage assignment now.
Manifest and temperature logs confirmed on the system.
Seals are intact. Clear for transport.
Temperature stable at -20, clear to load pallet 3. Roger that. Moving in now.
The algorithm is dynamically rerouting the shipments for the Tokyo stores.
Confirmed. Adjusting priority levels now.
Sustainability is integrated, not optional.
Look at the PUE stabilizing at 1.2.
That's a new low. The dynamic optimization is fully engaged.
As you can see, the LCMS data confirms the stability we were looking for.
Remarkable. This changes everything for the Durian project.
The demand spike in Southeast Asia is significant.
The system's already adjusting the production quotas automatically.
Line 5 is running at 90% capacity, no issues on the last cycle.
Understood. I'll monitor the flow.
The modern Durian factory, turning raw materials into a billion-dollar achievement.